Hello everyone, it's time for an update of what you can expect for the remainder of this Friday. And starting off with the futurecast, we see that there's quite a bit of cloud indicated for the far eastern parts of the country. A few showers still possible over in Mpumalanga, perhaps even in Gauteng at first, and down into KZN as well, although there will be a general clearance taking place. It'll be cloudy to partly cloudy over these areas, including over Limpopo, while over central and western South Africa, after a foggy start to the day for some places, we are expecting it to be mainly clear and quite a bit warmer, particularly for the Free State after yesterday's very low temperatures. The rainfall probability map indicates isolated showers over parts of Mpumalanga, including around Ermelo and eMalahleni, and we're also expecting showers along the coastline of KwaZulu-Natal, and those will continue into the early evening. Very isolated for the interior of that province as well as over Gauteng, where there will be a clearance taking place quite quickly. Dry weather over the central and western Free States all the way through to the coastline of the Cape Provinces. Maximum temperatures for today are indicated to be quite low still over the central interior, mid-teens for much of the Free State, the Mpumalanga Highveld, Johannesburg at 16 degrees as well, and similar down over the southern high ground of the country. Warmer along the coastline, most areas at least reaching 20 degrees, and especially warm for Durban and Richards Bay, both reaching a high of 24. Your detailed coastal conditions now, and we're expecting light winds along the west coast, and offshore wind for Alexander Bay, helping to push the temperatures up in that area, swells reaching an open ocean height of about 2 meters. We're expecting similar swells for the peninsula, a long period of 14 seconds, and this will once again result in fairly rough conditions along some beaches. Northwesterly winds will be light, averaging at 15 kilometers per hour. Along the south coast, we're also expecting light winds over this area, a southwesterly wind for Port Elizabeth at 15 kilometers per hour, and not much changing in terms of the swells. And along the eastern coastline for today, we're expecting a fresh southwesterly wind at first for East London, but those swells will be dropping off as the day goes on, and we're expecting southwesters all the way through to Richards Bay. A swell height of 1.5 meters, quite choppy along the KZN coastline with a period of only 9 seconds. That's all from the Weather Centre. Have a lovely Friday.